Hello friends, Namaskar. I am Pradeep Patil. Today the World Bank has revised the estimate of GDP for India by 10.1% in the month of January 2021. World Bank had estimated the GDP growth for India only 5.4%. So this is a significant development for India. Let us see what is GDP and how does it work. What is the significance of GDP? So basically the GDP is the monetary measure of all goods and services produced in a particular period, or you can say produced in a specified period. Economic growth is basically dependent on the GDP calculation, and most of the economists use this tool of GDP to measure the economy. The word GDP was first time used by American Russian eminent economist Simon Kuznets in 1937. That time the prevailing measure to calculate the economic growth was GNP, Gross National Product, instead of Gross Domestic Product. But after completing this Bretton Woods Conference in 1944, most of the countries had adopted the concept of GDP to measure their economies. Since then, several changes have been taken place to improve the calculation of GDP. Basically, there are three types of approaches to measure the GDP. First is known as production approach, which is also known as output approach. Second is income approach, and third is expenditure approach. Out of the three, the expenditure approach is widely accepted and used by most of the countries. And the biggest advantage of using this expenditure approach to measure the economy is the data integrity. You would agree that the authenticity and the credibility of data is a significant point to accept the result of any type of research work or the calculation. And that is why this expenditure approach is widely accepted by most of the countries. And the formula to calculate GDP is very simple. C plus I plus G under bracket X minus M. C denotes the consumption, I investment, and G government expenditure or spending, and under bracket export minus import. So the GDP is a significant tool to provide the insight for formulating economic policies and designing the annual budgets. Businessmen also take the help of GDP to expand their business, their tradings, their productions. Similarly, the investors also refer the GDP because it provides the framework for investment decision making. However, there are certain limitations of GDP. that it does not include unorganized sector, education and the health system. In other words, you can say that GDP only tells about the economic output rather than the economic well-being. Thank you very much. Namaskar.